да се направи само това движение. Палецът сочи седми шиен прешен и се избутва върхът шията на нивото на раменете. Наместване на горните оракални прешени, разкошли пръстите. Изтегляте към вас, лицо към вас и тласкане с гърди. Долу ръцете. Наместване на ломбални и торакални прешени. Пациент е пусне към вас. Изтегляте, отбирате луфта и надърпане само с ръцете. Наместване на ломбални прешени, обирате луфта, стягате с краката. Това е, което може. Very good, okay. Relax right in here for me. Very good. Okay. Relax right over here for me. Very good. Sorry about that. You okay? Mm-hmm. All right. Let me have you lay on your side facing this way. Now for her low back, we're going to go ahead and adjust the bottom, her hips here. Lift this knee right there. Okay. Relax right here. Give me this arm right in here. And again, we've already palpated and found some pelvic and lumbar restrictions here in the low back. So we're going to go ahead and perform a side posture adjustment here. Breathe in for me. And all the way out. Very good. Let me have you turn facing the other way for me. Okay, same thing on this side. We're going to go ahead and have her bend the knee here. Give me this arm right here, right there. All right, we're also going to move the pelvis here from posterior to anterior. Take a deep breath for me. And all the way out. Very good. Thank you.
Oh yeah, boy, that was a home run. Felt that all the way through, didn't you? Wow. I call that my ring dinger RD. Back in the dark ages, they would call this the rack. Then we're going to do a Palmer diversified cervical rotary brake on his cervical vertebrae. Perfect, good job. And Renee's getting really a lot better. Let it all the way out. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, that was all the way down. Feel that all the way through? Yeah. There we go. Now, check these out now. See? You see the difference in those immediately? Your reflexes? That's excellent. Okay, so now we're going to adjust his cervical spine. Palmer diversified master rotary brake. Reflexes, so there we go. Okay. Oh yeah, good job. Feel that one all the way down?
Oh yeah.
Okay, good. There we go, good. Okay. There's post ones and they're better. Okay. Okay, I got you. Let it go. That's it. Perfect. Ooh. Good job. Boy, you needed that today.
Yes.
And you said